Okay, so in this video, this is the homepage for the Worldwide Media 1 class, and right now I've got the first 6 weeks worth of units at least sort of mapped out. We're going to start with backstory, then we'll set up our toolbox. We'll go over the basics of HTML and how that works. We'll start formatting web pages using CSS. After that, we will go into what they call the block model, and it is part of CSS, and it is really how most web pages nowadays are formulated, with blocks on each page that are controlled using CSS. After that, we'll start talking about using some images on the web pages and what you can do to optimize your images and how to do things like transparency. If you click on these pictures, it will take you to a page. Most of these are just placeholder pages. This particular one on backstory actually does have an assignment, and I want students to make a 10-point timeline over any 10-year period that includes digital media. So basically they have to start in about the 80s, when the first digital audio compact discs were massively available to consumers. So that's where we're going to start. So any 10-year period from there until now, and picking one event each year to highlight. And then I've included a tutorial video for them to watch on how to use capsules. And then I want them to submit the link. Really, that's the most work I've done so far on the course. I do have a setting up in our toolbox video that I am in the process of uploading to YouTube, but it still is like an hour away from being completed. Once that gets done, I will place that video here as well, and it is instructions on all the different software packages that we're going to use, how to download them and set them up on a USB thumb drive. Next, we'll do the HTML basics. This is just a placeholder for now. And same with these other pages. Each one of them actually just takes you to a placeholder page for now until I can get the content set up. Additionally, I will, once the class is complete, there's probably going to be at least 6 more of these, because we're going to talk about using digital audio, using digital video, and some of that stuff takes a little bit longer to discuss than these topics do. We're also going to be doing things with creating PDFs and downloadable documents and booklets using an InDesign replacement or alternative called what is it called? Scribus. And we're also going to do let's see, some Illustrator type graphics using an Inkscape. So, and I think that about wraps it up. So I still have quite a bit of work to do on this class, but that at least describes where I'm going. So thanks for watching.